you being at the world premiere now? What a week you're having.
I'm great. I love all these people that I made this film with. It was a ride of my life, and I can't wait to share it with the world. You know, we make it for cinema, we make it for our audiences, and this is the moment we get to give it to you guys.
It's a treat for the world. I can't wait for everyone to see it. What did you think when you saw yourself back as the bride?
Oh, I liked her. I mean, I loved the bride. I loved getting to live inside her. She made me connect with my mind and body and heart in a way that I needed, you know. She reinvigorated me, and to see her up on screen on this wild love story, it was brilliant. And also to see everybody's incredible work. You know, there was many storylines that I hadn't been part of when we were filming it, and to see Penélope and Peter and everybody do their thing, it was beautiful.
And Maggie, do you remember the first conversation you had with Maggie about this?
Yes, we were in Paris, and we had went out for dinner and had one or two glasses of wine too many. And she mentioned that she was writing something. I didn't know exactly what it was, but she asked me to just have a little read, and it was really the embryo of it. And it was such an electrical language straight away. And then probably about 2 years after that, she sent me the full script. And yeah.
What's so special about this, and why should people see it on the biggest film screen ever?
Because I think this is really about the misfits, you know, and about the monstrousness that we all have inside us, or what we might think is monstrous. And actually at the core of it, it's about love. You know, how much of my misfit, my monstrosity can you love? And I think these two take us on a roller coaster of the heart.
And what would little Jessie think about working with Christian Bale? It's unreal, right?
I think she'd be really chuffed.
Yes, finally, girl power in this, women at the forefront. How important is that for you, playing such a strong lady?
You know, I love my women. I'm all for the women. I'm let's release all of what women are beside the beautiful men that stand beside them, and in this world that, you know, there's no part of a woman that's too much. I want it all out.
Yes, and just one word to describe it if you can.
Can I have 3 words?
Yes.
Because I'm disobedient. Wild at heart, wild at heart.